I didn't realize we were going to have this elaborate ceremony. But first of all, let me thank the commandant of the military hospital, the Ghana Health Service, and all of you for making it possible for us to begin the vaccination of our people today. We've all had a very difficult time this last year. Unfortunately, scientists in the world have now found what could be a permanent antidote to this, I can only call it a pestilence that has affected all of our lives this last year. It's important that I set the example that this vaccine is safe by being the first to have it, so that everybody in Ghana can feel comfortable about taking this vaccine. It is important that everybody, at the end of the day, is vaccinated, and that's our objective. And in doing so, UNICEF, the managers and the contributors of the COVAX facility, for the opportunity that we have in this country to begin the process of vaccination. The vaccine doesn't mean that we're throwing away all the other protocols. All the other protocols remain in place until we are satisfied that the the virus has finally disappeared from the soil of Ghana. So once again, Commandant and the people of the military hospital, thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. President. We have now reached an important part of today's program, and his spouse to proceed to the enrollment area. The enrollment area involves a series of some basic steps. First, the details of the president will be captured, and a unique COVID vaccination number will be given to him. Then a barcode will be generated, and the president will be enrolled onto the national database for vaccination, and then finally, he will be given a shot of the COVID-19 vaccine. Shall we all please be seated while this process goes on? We will take a short musical interlude while the president and his spouse go through the enrollment program, and after which he will be given a shot of the vaccine. has just been given his shot. President will wait for about 10 minutes for monitoring. It is now the turn of the spouse, Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo, to receive her shot.
Additional protection against the disease. The vaccination exercise will take place in March in health facilities and other designated places near you. The vaccinator will tell you when to come for the next dose. If you feel unwell after receiving the vaccination, please report to the nearest health facility. Remember, the coronavirus vaccine is an addition to the existing protocols, so continue other practices such as wearing of face mask, frequently washing of hands with soap and running water, hand sanitizing, and social distancing. Remember, Ghana needs you. Stop the spread. Get vaccinated against coronavirus for additional protection. This message is from the Ministry of Health, Ghana Health Service and Partners. This advertisement is FDA approved.
The Ministry of Health, Ghana Health Service and Partners are introducing a vaccine against the deadly coronavirus. From March 2021, Ghana begins a free national vaccine rollout for all persons 18 years and above, starting with healthcare workers, government officials, security services, the aged, and persons with underlying conditions. The COVID-19 vaccine is safe, effective, and has been tested and approved by the FDA. Please remember, the vaccine is an additional preventive measure, so all existing protocols must continue. Let us continue to wear our face mask, frequently wash hands with soap under running water for at least 20 seconds, or sanitize often and practice social distancing. Stop the spread. Get vaccinated against coronavirus for additional protection and prevention. This message is from Ministry of Health, Ghana Health Service and Partners. This advertisement is FDA approved. Fellow Ghanaians, the Ministry of Health, Ghana Health Service and Partners are introducing a vaccine against the deadly coronavirus. From March 2021, Ghana begins a free national vaccine rollout for all persons 18 years and above, starting with healthcare workers, government officials, security services, the aged, and persons with underlying conditions. The COVID-19 vaccine is safe, effective, and has been tested and approved by the FDA. Please remember, the vaccine is an additional preventive measure, so all existing protocols must continue. Let us continue to wear our face mask, frequently wash hands with soap under running water for at least 20 seconds, or sanitize often and practice social distancing. Stop the spread. Get vaccinated against coronavirus for additional protection and prevention. This message is from Ministry of Health, Ghana Health Service and Partners. This advertisement is FDA approved.
The Minister for Defense designates Honorable Dominic Nitibu to give the closing remarks. Who receive their vaccination. This will include the Chief of Defense Staff, the service chiefs, shall we?
Second Lady, Minister Designate for Interior, IGP, the Minister Designate for Health, the members, senior officers and commissioners of police, media, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. We are here this morning to take vaccinations. This morning, His Excellency the President took the lead, and under his leadership and with the support of our partners, Ghana became the first country in the world to benefit from the COVAX facility, which is open to about 92 low and middle income countries. And Ghana is the first country to have benefited from that facility. And it is under the leadership of the President and the hard work of the Ghana Health Service staff and members of the task force that the President has put together that Ghana has had the opportunity to have this. We are taking this vaccine today to assure the public and Ghanaians in general that it is safe. It is safe to be immunized by this.
And you will take the first, and then about 8 weeks later, take a second. His Excellency the Vice President is done with the registration. Colleagues in the media, please stay behind the media perimeter. Please stay behind the media perimeter so that all your other colleagues can get a good view of His Excellency the Vice President. As was explained by the medical director, the nurses are trained to wash and sanitize their hands, and as part of the protocol, they do not wear gloves. Oh, is it over? A big round of applause for His Excellency the Vice President. The wife of the Vice President will now proceed to be registered. Every person who takes the shot will have to stay for about 10 minutes, between 10 and 15 minutes, to be observed by the health team before you leave the medical facility. Every person who takes the vaccine will then be given a card that shows that that person has been duly vaccinated. When we are done and the wife of the vice president takes her seat also to wait for about 10 minutes, the minister designate for the interior will make the closing remarks. He informs me that he'll be taking his shot right afterwards today. My uncle, the health minister, will take his tomorrow alongside all other health workers, including the President's Advisor on Health, Director General of the Ghana Health Service, and Dr. Achiano himself. Mrs. Mimidako, the head of the FDA herself, she certified all of this. She will take it as well. The WHO country rep, they will all take theirs. My understanding is from tomorrow.